Good morning everyone, and welcome to Suburban Stone Age. Today's video is about a garden plant that has won my heart. It's called Tithonia Diversifolia, otherwise known as the tree marigold or the Mexican sunflower. This tree is so pretty and so useful that I thought I would share it with everyone. Tithonia Diversifolia is sort of in the middle ground between a tree and a shrub. If you think about a tree that has a trunk that's maybe 4 inches tall before it starts branching out, that's about what this tree looks like, except that those branches then become 15 feet tall. This tree likes it warm. It grows best in zones 9A and above. It doesn't take very cold temperatures, although if you cover it up or bring it inside in the winter, you may be able to overwinter it in colder climates. This plant has won my heart for several reasons. First of all, it's a phenomenal biomass accumulator. It drops a ton of leaves, which decompose readily into mulch all throughout the year. Also, it grows vigorously, and the stalks can be ground up and used as wood mulch for other trees to help retain moisture during the summer. And it also fixes nitrogen. Another feature I like so much about this plant is that it makes a terrific windbreak. We get terrible winds throughout the year that can gust from 50 to 100 miles an hour and come straight down the street and hit the house. We're growing this plant as a windbreak. The tall stalks are able to effectively diffuse the wind, and that's a big help. Additionally, it makes a great privacy screen. For the bedrooms that face the street, it's something that blocks line of sight from the street to the bedrooms, but it's also a friendly fence. It's not like a big block wall that people might find imposing. It's pretty but private. Also, this plant provides great building materials. The stalks grow tall and straight, but also have side branches, so that if you need long, straight poles that have forks in them, this is the perfect plant for you. It works similar to bamboo. However, it has the option of having a fork, so if you need to support a roof structure, you can build that into the poles that you harvest from this plant. Also, if you have an excess of poles and don't have a project immediately in mind, you can chop them up and use them as firewood. Finally, this plant is great for wildlife. Finches love to feed on the leaves and seeds all throughout the winter, and bees love the flowers when they bloom in the late summer and fall. Also, the leaves can be fed to chickens to supplement their diet. All in all, this plant is so useful that I've really enjoyed having it around and have begun to propagate it. It seeds itself rather easily from seed, but you can also take cuttings. It can become slightly invasive in the right circumstances, although I don't have that problem here because it doesn't seem to spread where there isn't enough water, and we have a pretty dry climate. Although it can be drought tolerant under the right circumstances. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to this unique and beautiful plant. People in the neighborhood ask me all the time what it is and how they can get some, and I'm happy to share seedlings if I have them. If you have any questions on this plant, leave me a comment. I'd love to chat about it. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed learning about this new plant, and subscribe if you'd like more videos coming up. We've got a great year ahead, and I'm really looking forward to sharing it with you. Thanks, everyone. Bye.